Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can open a BullX account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to be doing is, to do that, you're going to go ahead, open up your browser, type in BullX and get into the official website. Now as soon as you do that, you will find this option of connect and connect Telegram. Both will lead you to the same interface, so tap either. Then you will find this kind of interface. You can see web app, Twitter underscore, what can this bot do, etc, etc. You can check it out as well. Otherwise tap on start, and then you just have to set a Telegram username. You just have to go to your settings. Once you have created yourself, you will be able to tap on start, and this is how it's gonna look like. You just have to go through the process of waitlist. You're in the waitlist. Once you're done, then they will notify you, and you're gonna go ahead, create yourself an account and go through the registration process by following the on-screen prompts, and you're good to go. That is it. That's how you do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.